Here are 5 facts about ball pythons, and yung last ang favorite ko. Number 1, they are non-venomous. In fact, they don't even have fangs or yung pangil. Venomous snakes usually inject yung venom using those fangs. Pero, hindi ibig sabihin nun wala silang ngipin. In fact, marami silang ngipin. It's just that walang lason. Fact number 2, the name ball python comes from the way they curl up into a ball when they feel scared or threatened. Hindi niya lang ginagawa ngayon kasi, well, familiar na siya sa akin at alam niyang hindi ko siya sasaktan. Pero ball pythons, especially kapag nasa bagong environment, curl up into a ball to protect themselves. Laging tatandaan, when you encounter them, kahit sa wild, they're usually more afraid of us than we are of them. And gaya natin, they will also try to protect themselves. Fact number 3, they have terrible eyesight. And it's even worse if they're in shed. Na kung malabo yung mata nila, paano sila nakaka-hunt? Gayong nasa dark sila most of the time. Well, they use a type of heat vision gamit yung kanilang heat-sensing pits on the sides ng kanilang mouth. That is what helps them hunt at night. Fact number 4, and importante ito, lalo na if you're considering keeping a ball python as a pet, medyo mahaba buhay nila. About 20 to 30 years daw in captivity, even more. In fact, may recorded na umabot ng 48 years. So, you may need to do a little bit of math to make sure na hanggang sa dulo ng life ng pet mo may mag-aalaga sa kanya. And no, you don't need to worry, Artemis. I'm in it for the long haul. Marami pa tayong pagsasamahan. Fact number 5, and this I think is the most interesting of all, there is a teeny tiny chance that they will reproduce kahit walang mate. Ang tawag doon ay parthenogenesis or virgin birth. Kasi through parthenogenetic reproduction, kaya ng isang female ball python to practically clone herself and produce offspring. It's really interesting to think about. Lalo na dahil ako personally, I don't plan on breeding Artemis. Pero if that ever happens, well, that will be a pleasant surprise, I guess. Kailangan pa ba na maraming moldy ng mundo? Now, this girl right here is from Arcandris Ball Pythons. Hi, Nika. Thanks again for trusting me with her. She's a very special girl. And quick note lang na hindi known to be arboreal ang ball pythons. Ibig sabihin, they're not climbers or they don't frequent yung tops ng trees as other snakes do. But this girl in particular loves to climb. So kung may dadagdag mo na akong bonus fact about ball pythons or, well, pets in general, it's that every one of them is different. Alright, that's it muna for now. I'll show you some of my other pets then soon. If you want to learn more, don't forget to follow us for more. Bye!